brothers. Let's talk about relationship repair. Can you think of something more important than being able to successfully repair a relationship? Because two human beings or more trying to communicate with each other, it's chaos. Things are invariably going to get messy. Things are invariably going to be taken the wrong way or misconstrued or taken personally. Perhaps we do say something to offend or hurt. Perhaps they do as well to us. And so we have to learn to repair these rifts. Otherwise, our relationships aren't going to be as successful as they can be. And we're going to lose great people in our lives. And we're just going to minimize the beautiful connection. So how do we do this? First thing, when it comes time to repair, we have to give our full attention and presence to the other. Really listening. We are really wanting to understand, and we want to hear that person. Secondly, we want to fully understand the impact of whatever it was we said or did, how it affected them. We have to make that other person feel understood, even if it's repeating back to them what they just said, because that will help the other feel like you're really weighing every word they're telling you very carefully. And the third thing is to make sure to say, I understand. Thank you for telling me. And is there more? Is there more we need to discuss? Is there more that I need to know so I can completely and fully understand what my actions or words caused you? It's such a beautiful invitation. Please tell me more. I'm inviting you to help me understand. And that doesn't mean you always have to agree. Most people don't need you to agree, especially if they're healthy emotionally. They just need to feel heard, and don't you? I certainly want to feel heard. I want to feel understood. So weigh that carefully. And when they're speaking, we have to be very careful. And this is for all relationships, but particularly if we're in relationship with a feminine creature. Do not defend or make excuses or rationalize, or explain. You don't have to. And it's really, in that moment, your job to hear, not interject your own point of view. If that other person invites you to, then yes, be heard, of course. But defending and explaining and making excuses and rationalizing takes you out of the listener position and to someone who's trying to feel heard and understood. You start injecting that into the conversation, all hell's gonna break loose, especially with the female creatures or the feminine creatures in our lives. They have to feel heard and understood. They have to. For them to feel connected to you, for them to feel like they matter to you. You guys have a great day.